Like a rainy Sunday morning makes me wanna stay in bed, twisted up all day long. You're my inspiration, girl, you take me places, put the words right into these songs. Stealing kisses undercover, babe, see forever when I see your face. And I swear God made you for me. You make it easy, loving up on you, make it easy.
Oh God, don't cry. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh my God. They don't even look the same.
You took out my rough around the edge.
Oh my gosh, I love it! So cute. You look like a princess. Beautiful,
Angel, you make it easy.
Can I turn around now? Oh my. What is this? Am I supposed to cry? You're crazy. Oh, yeah. Your dress is crazy. I didn't know you get all blinged out. That's fun. Oh, yeah. Jeez,
I know, that's what I'm telling you.
Oh, we're tripping at church. We're going down.
We're going down hard.
Oh, my.
I know, so I'm gonna need your help.
We're going to tie that up.
I can't believe
Bad
today
start.
is finally here.
That's how mine started.
I've been dreaming about this day since I was a little girl. Wearing a long white dress, walking down the aisle with my dad, standing next to my best friends, and getting to love you for a lifetime. Pay attention.
Shelly's walking in the street.
After only a few months, you took a broken girl and completely turned her around for the better. You loved the pieces of me that were not easy to love. You began to help me rewrite a happy ending to my story. A year and a half later, we stand here today, ready to say I do. When I look at you and our future, I see a true, faithful partner, a wonderful father to our children who will grow up knowing exactly what they deserve and to not settle for anything less. I am so blessed and fortunate to say that you are my first. Not my first relationship, not my first kiss, but the first person to ever make me feel enough. The first person to show me a type of love that every girl deserves. The first person to take my heart and protect it. You were the first person to ever show me what true love is. And there is no better version of me than the one standing in front of you today. You make me such a better person, not only on the inside, but the outside too. You make me feel safe in a world of uncertainties. You inspire me to be a better woman, work harder, dream big, and love deeper.
This is good.
Dustin, you're my best friend, and today you're going to be my husband. Your work ethic, your personality, your incredible sense of humor are just a few qualities of the many more I can say about the amazing man that you are. Your incredible selflessness shows every single day. I know that in our marriage, a win for me will always be a win for you. I spent the beginning of our relationship wondering if this was real, how God can create a human as breathtaking as you and give him to me, how I could be so lucky to become your wife. When death comes to take my hand, I will hold you with the other and find you in every lifetime after that. I love you very much, Dustin Lane.
My vows suck. That was good. That was impressive. All right, mine's like 18 seconds, so let's get this over with. Wow. You should have told me you wrote a book. Well, I mean, that, well, jeez. Mine's like 8 sentences. And one has to do with ending, you know. What? Leaving, because there's people waiting. That's one of my sentences.
Okay.
All right. We should be crying, not laughing.
I know.
Save it for later. All right. Should I go now?
Yeah.
Mine's good. I mean, literally 15 seconds. Count.
Don't rush.
Today is finally the day. It feels like yesterday your friend dropped you off and I seen your beautiful smile for the first time. I can't believe we have grown so much from then to now. I love waking up to you every day and seeing your smile. It makes my day, and you have no clue how much it means to me. I love that even when we fight, you always seem to bring the best out of every situation. I can't wait to see you grow as a mom and raise our baby. Our relationship will only get stronger from here. I'm keeping this short because there's people outside waiting. I mentioned that in there. I love you with all my heart, and I can't wait for every adventure with you. You're truly my soulmate. Short and sweet, told you.
I like it. I didn't know you had that in you.
That's all I got, yeah. That took a lot. That was 3 days of thinking.
You're so funny.
Forever when I see your face, and I swear God made you for me. You make it easy, loving up on you. Make it easy with every little thing you do. You're my sunshine in the darkest days, my better half, my saving grace. You make me who I wanna be. You make it easy. You make it easy. They say love is more precious than gold. It can't be bought and it can't be sold. I got love enough to spare. That makes me a millionaire. I got a woman with eyes that shine down deep as a diamond mine. She's my treasure so very rare. She made me.
I take you, Sam, to be my wonderful wife, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer or poor, through sickness and through health, all the days of my life.
I take you, Dustin, to be my husband. I promise to be faithful to you in good times and in bad, through sickness and in health. I will love you. I will honor you for all the days of my life.
In my beat-up car.
Sam, take this ring.
Promise my fidelity.
A promise of my fidelity.
In the name of the Father.
In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
Dustin, take this ring as a sign of my fidelity to have and to hold through all the days of my life. In the name of the Father,
Got it.
and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
I'd like to present to you Mr. and Mrs. Dustin and Sam Bank.
People look at her and they look at me and say that boy is sure living in luxury, sweet luxury, because love is more precious than gold. It can't be bought, no, never could be sold.
and Samantha Dustin.
I still feel like a millionaire because love is more precious than gold. It can't be bought, no, and it can't be sold. I got love and love to spare. Swear that you're staying single, next thing you know, you meet a girl at a bar, and next thing you know, you get her laughing, it's 2 a.m. You're telling your buddies 3 months in that she ain't moving in, but next thing you know, there's a U-Haul trailer, next thing you know, your old apartment, it's y'all's new place. There goes the carpet, but the deer head stays. Next thing you know, you're saving money like never before, just spend it all at a jewelry store, getting down on one knee on her mama's porch, just pray she don't say no. Next thing you know, your best man gives a half-drunk speech, and you're sunburned on a honeymoon beach, and your left hand's getting used to that rain, and there the next 2 or 3 years go. Next thing you know, weren't really trying, next thing you know, there's a test on the counter, next thing you know, she's standing there crying, nodding her head yes. You're half excited, half scared to death, cause next thing you know, you're wearing scrubs and a funny white hat, and the doctor saying, how you doing there, Dad? And nobody's ever called you that, and you take the drive home slow. Next thing you know, it's first steps, first dates, first car. It's 11:01, wondering where they are. You're saying that a USC's too far. It's amazing how fast 17 years go. Next thing you know, next thing